Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Karthik, and in today's video we'll do the question and solutions of the chapter mensuration. So in yesterday's video, if you have seen, so okay, but I'll keep the link of the video in the description, and at the last of the video it will come on this side of the video. So it contains the formulas of this chapter. So in this chapter now we are going to do find out areas and do the questions and their solutions. So let's see our first question. So this is the figure, and the question is, there is a slide in a park. Like there is a park, and you know that slide, we come up with the ladders and then we slide down. One of its walls, it contains the walls on the side, is painted in green color. It is painted with green color. Find area of the paint. So how much area it is covered, the green paint? So we have to see 6 meter, 11 meter, 15 meter. Can we use base into height? No, because if we put the diagonal here, so we don't know this much length. So firstly, we have to find out the area. So before finding out the area, we will have to we have to find out the S. S means semi-perimeter. So we know of triangle equal to, no, area nahi, perimeter. Perimeter of triangle equal to 11 plus 6 plus 15, this plus this plus this, equal to 16 into 2, 32. 32 meters is the perimeter. So S equal to 32 by 2 equal to 16 meter will be our S. Now area equal to root S multiplied by S minus A. A is 6 into S minus B. B is 11 into S minus C. C is 15. So 16 multiplied by 16 minus 6, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 15. So now this is in under root. So once more under root, 16 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 9, no, not 9, 5 multiplied by 1. There is no need of 1 in this. So 16 5s are 80. 80 into 10, 800 meters square will be our answer of this question. But it is under root, so we will have to do under root of 800. Karo. So, but this can be further classified into, like, we can write it as root 400 into 2. 400 is the square of 20. So 20 root 2 meter square will be our answer. Now let's come to our next question. Now this is our next question, which is like, this is a figure, we have to find its area simply. So you might find it confusing, but see from here, you have to join this. Now what is this height of the triangle? It will be the same as this, which will be 6 centimeter. Area of figure equal to area of triangle. plus area of this one rectangle, REC. So we know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. When the height is given, plus area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is the height of this triangle? 6, and the base is what base is 3 plus 3 plus 4, 3 3 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 2 is cancelled by 10, 10 is cancelled by 2, which is 5, plus length into breadth 4. Wait, the length is not given. So friends, when I saw the question, the length is 10 centimeter. So length is 10 centimeter. The centimeter we don't need to write, multiplied by breadth, which is 4 centimeter. So, what is 6 into 5? It is 30, plus 10 into 4, it is 40. So the area of figure is 70 centimeter square. Now let's come to for the next question. Next question is the diagonal of a square is 12 centimeter. What will be the area of the figure? So this is the figure and its diagonal is given. This is a square, its diagonal is 12 centimeter. So what will be the area of this this square? We know that the diagonal of a rectangle, diagonal of square is root 2 into side. Side is not given, diagonal is given. 12 equal to root 2 into side. This is given to 12 centimeter. 12 by root 2 equals side. So if we rationalize it by multiplying by root 2 both the side, so root 2 upon root 2 it will be 1, so there will be no change in the area basically, but for rationalizing we will multiply both the sides with root 2. So 12 root 2 divided by 2 equal to side. 2 will cancel 12 by 6. So now we'll square on both sides. Side square equal to 6 root 2 square. Side square equal to 6 square. What is it? It is 36 multiplied by root 2 square, which is 2. It will be 36 into 2 equal to 72 centimeter square. As we already know, area of square equal to side square. What is side square? We already found out. It is 72 centimeter square will be our answer. Now let's come to our last but not the least question. Friends, this is our next question. In this there is a flyover, a company, these triangular sides of the flyover are used for advertisement by a company. So a company has rented this for 3 months and its sides are 122 meter, 120 meter and 22 meter. So the costing, meaning the rent of per meter square per year is rupees 5,000. Meaning we have to find area, multiply it by 5,000 and see how much meaning we have to find its rent for how much time it has taken, and it is 3 months, and per year it is rupees 5,000. We have to find the rent which it has to pay after uh, paying time of paying the money. So firstly, we have to find out its area. What is the area? Firstly, we have to find what? S. S is half of perimeter. So perimeter equal to 122 plus 120 plus 22, 64, 264 meter, and S equal to 264 upon 2, 132 meter. So what's the area? Area equal to, under root will be so long, so I'll just make this symbol for under root. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C equal to under root 132 into 132 minus 122, 132 minus 120, 132 minus 20, sorry, 22. What will it be? I'll do this side firstly, right here. 132, it will come in root, continue till here. 132 multiplied by 132 minus 122 will be 10, multiplied by 1, it will be 12, multiply 132 minus 22, 110, 110. Further multiplying it, 10 into 12, 120, 120 into 132 into 110. So what will it be? To put zeros over here, so we'll put just 2 0 over here. 12 into 132 into 11. Firstly 132 into 12, it would be 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 132 will become as it is 4 8 5 1, multiplied by 11, 1584, 1584, 4 2 4 7 1, 17424, 00 will be our area. So let's erase it. So friends, we were over here. Instead of multiplying, we can do by that also, but the calculation will be longer. So we'll do like this. We can write this as 132 multiplied by 10 into 10 into 10 into 11 into 12. Why I have written? It will be 11 into 10, it will be 110. So instead we have written like this. Root 132 multiplied by 132 multiplied 10 multiplied 10. Why I have written this all? Because 11 into 12 will be 132 only. So 132 will come out. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, and this root will be cancelled. 132 into 10 equal to 1320 meters square. So what was the cost? 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. So how many year it is taking? 1/4 of a year. So in year there are 12 months. In 12 months, 1 year. 1 month, 1 by 12 year. 3 months, 3 by 12 year equal to 1 by 4 year. Okay, so this was only for rough calculation. I erase it. We'll simply multiply it. 1320 multiplied by 5000, because it is for 1 meter square 5000. 1320 meter square, it will be 5000 into 1320 multiplied by 1 by 4 also. I told you no, for it is for 1 year, but we have to find out only for 3 months. So firstly, let's see if it gets cut by 2, 2 6 are 12. So 1 is left, 2 6 are 12, 660, 2, 2500. So 25 into 66, and here will come 30. 6 5 are 30. 6 2 are 12, 5 6 are 30. 12 plus 30, 42, 45. 4, 5, 6 2 are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1650 plus 0 0 0 equal to 1650,000 rupees will be our answer. So company will have to pay 16,50,000 rupees after renting it for 3 months. Okay friends, in this video we'll only do this much. In next video we'll start other chapter, or you can tell if you want to continue this chapter. Okay friends, this is only for class 9th, and for advance you can study in it in 8th class also. So friends, hope you like this video.